Today is Monday, September the 21st, 2014. This is the way Mike Johnson left our pool about 4.5 months ago. He started it and he was never able to come back to complete the task. Today now, when he started, it was actually September the 12th, 2013. So it's over a year now, and this is a status of what we've got. They chipped out the finish. They put on this coping all the way around the pool. They removed the old equipment from back there, built this retaining wall. This is the old equipment here. And it was supposed to be installed back here on a pad. This area over here was where the old equipment was. And the old conduit's still there from the old pool light, and as you can see, nothing was ever finished. He more or less walked away from the job back in March. This pile of trash, broken concrete, gravel, sand, dirt is still here. They never hauled it out. And there's the old coping still. It's still here too. And we have a pile of sand over here with gravel. This here is some of the cement that we're going to have to throw away because it's been left out too long. And here's even some more. So all this is going to have to be thrown away. We still have the rebar. It's a little rusty, but we're going to work it in. We're going to use it. And that's our status. That's how we were left. Leave us with a pallet in the bottom of the pool. And everything broken open. As you can see here, this is the pitch now that the concrete's going to have to come off because the wrong thickness of coping was used. Should have never been used. Now we have to compensate for it with putting in drains into the new concrete that's going in. Otherwise, all this water is going to run to the house.